may broken hearted ba dito? Broken hearted. So, yun. Ay, binabati ko pala yung mga Felix Turtles dyan. Kung saan mga dyan. So, yun. Number 4 po. Ay, number 3. Sorry, number 3. Final, number 3. Siya broken hearted siya, no?
Oh God!
Ayan na. Palakas po para maramdaman po talaga natin sa puso natin. Mamamigay ko ng jacket ng 4,000. Mahal yun eh, mahal yun. Somebody told me you're lying, don't know why. Somebody told me you were crying, didn't want to lie. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more, so you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been lying, nobody told me you've been crying, didn't want to fight. Somebody told me that you fell out of love with me, so set you free. Someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say what's true, but it's never gonna end. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. Somebody told me that you're lonely, needed time to find out. Nobody told me that you fell out of love with me. Now I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you have to make excuses. Maybe if I was set away. Kiring tayo dyan, parang kami babuis. So if you love me still, then stay. Need to get this out, just to know it's out my heart. To break it up, till I have to make excuses. We don't need to say someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say it's true, but it's never gonna end. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. Bicol pa. So yun po, maraming salamat po sa supportahan po natin. Bumili po tayo ng mga upuan, ng mga kama, palitan na po natin yung mga gamit natin sa bahay. Kasi ano po matibay po ito. So maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po dito sa, yan, dito sa Gubal. Gubal ba? Basta yun natatanda. Sa Simple Joy. So diba? Parang Simple Joy sa ito.
Alright, thank you so much. Hello. Once again, palakpakan po natin si Pip. Thank you. Hi. Anong dapat namin abangan, Sir Pip?
Siyempre, babakan niyo po ako sa Saturday po, November 20 po sa Ipaglaban mo. Ano ba yun? Before showtime o after? After showtime, mga hindi ako alam kayo. Hindi ako lang alam nyo.
In between showtime.
In between paano? So ayan, ipaglaban mo sa November 22 Saturday ngayon. After showtime. Tapos po, magbabananas split din ko, pero hindi ko pa sure kung kayo mag-air. Basta, lagi ko ng banana split. So yun po, at abangan na rin po kami sa Nathaniel po sa Pride Manila, lalo sa Pusha. Kaya po pong i-edit. So, abangan niyo po kami po ito. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, ang daming kailangan abangan kay Pip. Maraming salamat, Pip, for gracing the event and for performing. Ayan, sa harapan ng mga taong ito, talagang hata na nagmamahal sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Alright! Sabi niya, okay na po. Sabi ko, okay na. Ayoko pa po. Alright! Are you ready for our next performer? Hi guys, once again, for those who haven't followed me on Instagram, please do follow me